Yesterday we had a very bad close. We rallied all the way up to 9,122 and failed to hold and sold off below 9,000 close here. So the concept is, the idea is today, if we manage to go down to previous low, if we take out this kind of yesterday's low and then hold below, we most likely going to revisit this initial target will be this low down here, and perhaps this could be a good opportunity to go long, but it will depend. We'll see how this will play out. The way I would like to trade this is to see if we find any kind of resistance as we do right now here at this initial balance high of the day, and then I would like to short it down here for a retest at this low and then possible lower down to 800s. The other scenario is to see if we hold any support here, or if we sell down here and hold support here, then I would like to buy it for a retest up to initial balance high. Or the other scenario is to see if price can hold as it does right now, hold support right here at 900 level and then gradually breaks above initial balance high, hold support and then goes higher. You can see today we are inside yesterday's balance area, so perhaps this could give us a good chance to retest 9,000. So price sold off here straight from the open. Let's see how it will behave here at these levels and if it holds any support. So initially I will try to buy it here for a rebound. Let's see. So price failed to hold this day's open price and I shorted here at day's open price. Let's see if this kind of low breaks to the downside. Initially we could expect some support, but then let's see if it goes further down. Price breaking down right now. Let's see how it will behave here at this low target. This will be my final target. Scale out my position right here. Let's see how it will behave here at 800s. So price retested this initial balance low from yesterday, sold off to new lows. Let's see how far down can this go. We have the bond here, new all-time highs day after day. WTI crude oil making new multi-decades lows. If you like to see here my exhaustion levels, we have 100% of its average range for the first hour of cash market trade down here to 15s. Let's see if it exceeds a little bit and go down to 800s or to test at this kind of low. I would like to close the position around here. So I close my position right here, perhaps I close it early. Let's see if it flashes down to 800s or previous low. This is how I traded. Scaled out here 34 points initially before this rebound, now 61 points. Perhaps this is early closing, but better early rather than late and disappointed. So yeah, you can see going down to 800s. So let's see the exhaustion levels here. We sold off straight down 120 points, which is the 124% of these average rates. And let's see if we find any support here at previous low and 140% of the range. I would possibly look to buy it down here. So I bought right here for a potential pullback at this retest. Let's see if it goes up to 50s. Close the position right here. Let's see how it will behave. You can see here the exhaustion levels I use. We held support combined with these almost to previous low down here by a few ticks and support at 800s plus exceeded 100% average range. So this was one of the reasons I bought. Perhaps this can collapse and go further downside, but let's see. I would like to buy it up again here at previous low. So we're collapsing straight down here. Let's see if we find any support at 700s. Let's see the big picture today. As I was saying earlier this morning, if we manage to break down this, perhaps we can retest this low down here. We exceeded it so far. So to be honest, next is this kind of support down here. Let's see. But there's no really support, so perhaps we could collapse further downside later. You can see here we held support at 200% of the average range, so 2 times the average range for the first hour of cash market. Let's see if we find any support. We have very bearish news. Oil multi-month lows, bond straight line up right here. So about this, due to exhaustion level support at 200, not sure how much this will hold, but nice trade at the moment. Let's see if it goes up to 800 initially. Will be judged here at previous low of the day. If this held resistance straight away and sells further downside, this could be very weak, but if it goes above and holds support, perhaps we can retest 800s. So I close the trade here. Let's see how it will behave around this low in 800s. So if we would like to see the daily here again, we kind of held support at these low 762s, but then again when and if we go below, we have this kind of level right here, 560s. So let's see how this will play out if we manage to hold support right here. But this, if you see this into perspective, it's just such a great collapse. Since this kind of fail up here, then every kind of reversal failed. Now we're kind of dropping hard. Let's see below August lows, of course. So we'll see how this will play out today and if it goes further downside. So here we are a few hours later, and price held support here with retest at 700s, rallied up, held support here at first hour of cash market low. Now held resistance with multiple fake outs here at equilibrium line. Now selling off. Let's see if we like to buy it down here for this kind of setup. Okay, a few minutes now until the US cash open. Let's see where we are. So we are just grinding higher and higher with higher lows. Of course, this could be perceived as a flag, and then we can just break it down to see. I would like to see this kind of pattern right here. See if price can retest previous low, and then I will buy it for the reversal trade. On the other hand, we would like to see on the short side the 50% of yesterday's high to today's low. Perhaps we can see this kind of initial rally up here, which coincides with today's open price and initial balance area. If this area fails, then it could be a very good short opportunity. So let's see. So I sorted up here at this kind of fake out of previous consolidation highs. Every time price went there, just sold off. Let's see now what we need is to break down these 800s area and move further downside towards these 700s. So about here at this level, DAX held support here at middle point. Let's see how it will behave up to 900. We'd like to hold the position until here. I saw SPY as well trying to fill in the gap, breaking above 180. You can see here the correlation. SPY broke out 183, so I bought DAX because of this. Let's see if it manages to fill the gap up to 85. Close the position here. Let's see if we manage to hold resistance. I would like to short it up here. So at the moment, failed to break out and hold above initial balance low of the day. I shorted here. Let's see if we found any kind of selling down to previous day's low, or even lower at 700s. Close my position here, perhaps a little bit early, but I don't like this price action. Let's see how we trade today. Few stop to break evens here. I was anticipating a move down. Close this for 38 points, this for 12 points. Let's see now if price can go down to test the lows, so I will see if I will manage to buy it there. You can see now on the 5-minute chart breaking this kind of wedge. Let's see if it manages to go all the way down here to 700s. This is where I would like to buy it. It's coinciding with my exhaustion levels 140% or more from these 2 hours average range moves. So let's see if it goes or if it kind of holds support here at previous low. That's why I shorted initially there, but then closed it because I didn't like this kind of sideways choppy price action. Perhaps this could work though. Let's see. Okay, so price managed to trade in a range of 100 points right here, 108 points. But then it wasn't kind of clear here at the beginning. This could be very good short. you see here the 1 minute chart, as I was shorted earlier, but I was unable to hold it due to this kind of choppiness. My initial short was in order to test this kind of low or even lower at 700s. So if we would like to close this with a big picture today, we held this kind of support here at yesterday's low, then now at the moment we're breaking down again below. Let's see where we close today, if we can find trying to find some balance in here, or if we just tomorrow just going to collapse down to 8,560s, which is this kind of swing high right here, and perhaps it would provide support as this one did yesterday. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching.